Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making Fatafat Rajma in Punjabi style, that is instant creamy kidney bean curry in Punjabi style without soaking. Rajma chawal, that is kidney beans curry over cooked rice, is most popular traditional meal combo in Punjab, India. Rajma has become very popular nowadays in other states of India too. It is usually served over cumin fried or steamed rice. Rajma, that is kidney beans, need soaking in water for minimum 4 to 6 hours or overnight before cooking, but we are cooking creamy and delicious Rajma without soaking. Sometimes it happens that you forget soaking Rajma or you are suddenly craving for it, then this recipe is definitely going to satisfy your craving for it. We are making this delicious curry with 1 cup Rajma, that is raw dry kidney beans, which will be sufficient for 4 people. Wash kidney beans thoroughly, and add into your pressure cooker along with 2 cups water. Close the cooker with its lid and cook at medium heat until cooker whistles 3 times. Turn off the heat after cooker has whistled for 3 times, then allow cooker to release its steam pressure on its own. It may take 10 to 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, let's do preparations for masala. Peel and grate 2 medium-size onions, or you may grind onions in your grinder too if like to. Grate or finely chop 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Also chop 1 or 2, or to taste, fresh green chillies. Adding green chillies into it is absolutely optional and you may omit it. Puree 4 medium-sized tomatoes in your mixer grinder. Keep all this aside for a while. The cooker has also released its pressure by now. Open it and add 12 to 15 ice cubes, and 2 cups chilled or refrigerated cold water into cooker. This is the special secret technique behind cooking dry raw kidney beans without soaking. Stir to mix, then pour in extra half cup cold water or add few more ice cubes into cooker. Close the cooker and turn on the heat at medium-high. Cook until cooker whistles, then reduce heat to low and cook for 15 to 20 minutes at low heat. Shift cooker onto side stove at low heat and put a wok on this stove to prepare masala while Rajma is cooking. Increase heat to medium under wok and add 2 or 3 tablespoon cooking oil or ghee in it. Add 1 teaspoon jeera, that is cumin seeds, into it. And when cumin starts to splutter, add grated or ground onion into it. Stir and sauté for 5 to 7 minutes over medium heat. Sauté while stirring occasionally until onions turn golden brown. Now add grated or finely chopped ginger root. You may add some finely chopped or minced garlic also if like to. Stir to mix and reduce heat to medium-low. Sauté for 2 minutes while stirring continuously. Now add pureed tomatoes into wok. Stir to mix well and increase heat to medium. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes while stirring occasionally. Rajma have also cooked for 20 minutes after whistling of cooker. Turn off the heat under cooker and allow steam pressure to finish on its own. Cook onion tomato masala while stirring occasionally until rawness of tomatoes is completely gone and excess water of tomatoes has evaporated. Now add chopped green chilies into it. If using, otherwise omit this step. Stir and sauté for another minute, then reduce heat to low and season masala mixture. Add 1 teaspoon or to taste salt, 1/2 teaspoon or to taste red chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon haldi powder, that is ground turmeric powder, and 2 teaspoon dhania powder, that is ground coriander seeds. Stir and sauté for 2 minutes on low heat. We have removed about 2 tablespoons of prepared masala mixture from wok as it seems too much for the quantity of rajmas. Refrigerate this masala, covered in refrigerator to be used in any curry in future. It can be stored in refrigerator up to a week. Stir and sauté masala until it releases its grease. Now add 2 tablespoons dahi, that is plain curd or yogurt, into masala. Many people don't add curd into this. You may omit it too, but we use it as it takes the taste of Rajma to another level. Stir and cook while stirring occasionally until whey released from curd evaporates and masala releases its grease again. Turn off the heat under wok, and by now, the cooker has released its steam pressure too. Check whether the pressure has released completely, then open cooker. Stir to mix and check whether Rajma have cooked thoroughly and gone tender. Otherwise add a few more ice cubes or chilled water into cooker and cook further for 10 minutes. Actually cooking time may vary depending upon variety of rajma. Pour olive gravy along with tender rajma into wok and turn on the heat at medium-low. Stir to mix gravy well with masala and simmer for 5 to 7 minutes over medium-low heat. Now add 1 teaspoon crumbled kasuri methi, and 3/4 teaspoon or to taste garam masala. Stir to mix well. Now taste and check the seasonings, add whatever is required to your taste. Stir to mix for a final time, and turn off the heat. Transfer into serving bowl. Serve delicious and creamy rajma that is kidney beans curry with gravy accompanied with steamed or jeera fried that is cumin fried rice or naan, roti or parantha. Enjoy. We hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click the like button below and write your views in comments column for sure. Your feedback is really very important for us. Thanks.